I'm going to explain something, and if you mess this up, that is your fault, and I don't care. Okay. This assignment, don't do that teenage thing where you ignore me right now. You're going to regret it. This assignment is due on Monday, not tomorrow. It's 12 problems. However, tomorrow in here, look at me, guys. Look at me. Stop writing numbers and completely turning off your ears. Tomorrow we're going to have something called board races, which we've never done before in here with me. I'm going to give 3 people a chance over here and 1 person over here on the whiteboard a chance to race with problems, where we're going to be racing each other to see who can win, who can go the fastest, and who can get first place. If you win, you only do evens on the homework assignment. If you do not go up there and don't compete, you have to do all 12. Do you have to go up at all? No. How many people could win? 1. Everyone. Let's suppose that everybody in the class goes up, right? Every time you go up, somebody's going to win. So let's suppose that we have 4 people up here. 1 person loses, and they sit down. I'm sorry, 1 person wins. They sit down because they won, right? And somebody takes the spot of the winner. And we still have 4 people up here. Somebody else wins. The winner sits down. We keep going. Does that make sense to you? We keep going until people don't want to come up here anymore. So the whole class could come up here and only do 6 problems of homework instead of 12. What if what? You can't go twice.
What if the last 3 people?
Right. Suppose we're down to 4 people, 1 person wins, and then nobody wants to replace them, then I guess those 3 people are just competing against those 3 people. And then down to 2, and down to 1, and that last person, they just have to get it right. Because what I'm trying to tell you is this. I am going to give you half off if you're speedy, but also if you're willing to do it. Like, if you're willing to go up there, that takes bravery, and that matters. It's really cool to be brave and willing to put yourself on the line and show other people that you might not get it. That's fine. That's cool. So if you're willing to be brave tomorrow, I will cut your assignment in half. So what I'm saying is, right now when you have 6 minutes, and I am going to make you work, I would start with the odds, unless you know that you're not going to go up tomorrow because you're like, I would rather die. Then go ahead, do all 12. I'm not going to make you. Does everybody understand? So nobody's going to be mad at me tomorrow if you win, and then you're like, what do you mean? I have to do evens? Oh! Sorry, wait. I told you that you only have to do evens, right? Yeah. If you win. So start with the evens is what I meant to say. Everybody start with the evens. Cool? Okay.